This video is a installation video for Sinister Diesel's steering box support for 2003 to 2009 Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks. In the box you will have all the necessary hardware for the installation, the steering support itself, a Sinister Diesel sticker, and instructions. To begin this installation, going to start by removing the 15mm bolts holding the sway bar to the frame of the truck. Please support the sway bar with a jack stand to prevent any injury. Next, we can remove the pitman arm nut with the appropriate size socket. Then the factory pitman arm nut can be replaced with the Sinister Diesel modified nut and lock washer. Next, the steering support bracket can be mounted to the frame with the supplied hardware in the kit from Sinister Diesel. This hardware can remain relatively loose for installation of the bearing onto the shaft of the Sinister Diesel nut. Use the supplied hardware to fully tighten the bearing onto the shaft of the supplied Sinister Diesel pitman arm nut. Once the bearing is fully tightened, we can insert the set screws and tighten those and then grease the fitting. Once all these components are fully tightened, the sway bar bracketry can be fully tightened to the frame of the truck, and this installation is finished. I want to thank you very much for watching. For more information on performance products, please contact Sinister Diesel on the web or toll free at 833-507-7181. Thank you.